Hello everyone! So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make Alfredo penne pasta. To boil the pasta, you would need about 3 cups of penne pasta, some salt, and you would need some water to boil the pasta. For the sauce portion of the recipe, you would need 1 cup of chicken broth, 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 tablespoon butter, 1 garlic minced, salt to taste, pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon of flour, 1½ cups of Parmesan cheese. To cook, you would need about 2½ cups of broccoli, 2½ cups of spinach, and some oil. To cook the pasta, turn the stove on to high heat. Add water all the way to the top. Give a few minutes to boil and then we will proceed to the next step. Now that the water has boiled, add in salt, the pasta, give it a quick stir, and cook the pasta for about 11 minutes. Now that the pasta is complete, drain the pasta and then rinse it with cold water. To cook the vegetables, turn the stove on to medium to high heat. Add oil and let the oil warm up for about a minute. Now that the pan is warm, add in the broccoli. Cook the broccoli on medium to high heat for about 3 minutes. Continue to mix the heavy cream on medium to low heat until it starts to boil. While mixing the heavy cream, add in salt and black pepper. Now that the sauce has started to boil, add in the vegetables. Cook the vegetables in the sauce for about 1 minute. And do so on medium to low heat. Slowly start to add in the Parmesan cheese. Let the cheese melt in the sauce. When done, turn the stove off. Now turn the stove off and add in the pasta. And then mix everything together. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye now.